Social factors include traditions and culture, lifestyle, social interactions. Some cultures eat eggs at Easter. Chinese New Year is celebrated with rice cakes.
Lifestyle, like the type of job you have, will influence the food you eat. If your cookery skills are high, you are more likely to eat freshly prepared food.
Other lifestyle factors such as geographical location can affect food selection. Climate and coastal living will determine whether your staple foods are grown or caught in the sea.
Social interaction can affect food choices. TV advertising has massive influence on the foods we eat. What your friends eat also influences your food selection.